In this video, I'll show you how to enable WhatsApp into an encrypted backup on iPhone. So if you want to secure your WhatsApp chat like a pro, then here's a real guide of how you can actually do this. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to make your WhatsApp chat encrypted, you just need to open up the WhatsApp application and then go and tap on this settings button at the bottom right. And from here, you just need to scroll down, tap on chat, and inside this one, you'll get to see the chat backup. You just need to tap on this. And inside this one at the bottom here, you'll get to see the end-to-end encrypted backup. You just need to tap on this and it will ask you to turn on this feature. So I'm going to tap on turn on. And you just need to create a password for the encrypted backup. Here it says if you forget your password and lose your phone, WhatsApp cannot help you to recover your backup. You just need to keep in mind and then go and tap on create password and then go ahead and type your password first. And you actually have to retype the password again. And then lastly, let's go and tap on next and then tap on create. And you're pretty much good to go. Your end-to-end encrypted backup is enabled and you'll get to see it's backing up your data. This will take a little time based on how much data that you have on the WhatsApp. And once it gets completed, your end-to-end encrypted backup will be completed. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around and thank you very much for watching.